So, I'm going to talk next about the problems that we discovered. So, we call them data silos. Does anyone heard of data silos? Does that ring a bell? No? Okay. Okay. Data silos is anything where information is not in one place. So, an Excel spreadsheet. Oh, we need a Christmas card list. Great, let's just click a button, let's create this Excel spreadsheet. Great, we need to track the bonus numbers. We need to do a customer list for a trade show. All these things become data silos, and it's a big problem. So you have, in addition to that, you also have things like account management, sales forecasting, customer service, marketing, all with their own database. So when we went into one of Warren Buffett's companies, we found that they had overflowing Outlook boxes. One of their biggest problems is they were constantly bumping up against their Outlook for exchange limits. Does anyone ever do that? Do you ever run a bump up against your limits? Okay, it's because without a CRM system, one person gets an email. What do? They read it, they forward it to 7 other people. FYI, great. All those other 7 people, they read it, and they drag it to their client folder. So you just, in that one instance, and this happens hundreds of times a day. So in that one instance, all these people, now you've just increased the demand on your Exchange server and on your email and infrastructure so much without needing to. In addition to, maybe those people really needed to see it, maybe they didn't, right? So it's much better. One of the biggest wins when you rolled this out to Warren Buffett's company, the users went into the folders and they started dragging big folders of client files into CRM and deleting them out of Exchange. And they had like room all of a sudden. It was great. And it was in the right spot. And when they dragged it in, it came in and it was time and date stamped with the correct time and date and who it was from and everything. So all that sort of useless information that was in islands was now consolidated into one spot. And it's a key thing because it reduces the duplicate back and forth. Afterwards, CRM becomes the glue that ties your organization together. Done right, CRM should be what's called the second app of the day. What's the first thing you open whenever you walk in and you open your computer in the morning? What's the first thing you open? Email, right? Everyone does. CRM, done right, is the second app of the day. That you open that and you ideally should be able to do customer service in there, look at the sales numbers if you need those, track your information, track where the status of issues are, all those kinds of things right in CRM.